Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a big blue marble table. And we're using a thrift store table that I found for about $20. We're also using unicorn spit. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Are you ready? Let's make over a thrift store table. Make sure to experiment with all the different colors of unicorn spit and cover your glaze coat tabletop so that it keeps it free of dirt and dust while it cures overnight. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.